Did you know?
Did you know that milk powder and powdered sugar are two ingredients very much used in sweets and desserts? When liquid milk is dehydrated, it turns into milk powder. By adding water, it becomes liquid milk again. Milk powder is often used in recipes that call for milk. Powdered sugar or icing sugar is achieved by milling granulated sugar into a finally state as powder. As a quick dissolving sugar, it is frequently used as icing or frosting. This type of sugar is often dusted onto baked goods to enhance their appearance and taste. So